Hi there, let's practice our listening with Line English. 好，现在老师念这个 reading，然后同学听到什么 keywords 就把它写下来。Ready? Okay, let's get started. I'm grateful for my boss because he is a person who knows how to reflect on his leadership and revisit staff's opinions. Besides, he always recaps the key points after meeting and relays the update to us immediately. For example, he guides us to redo the tasks and reimburses our expenses efficiently so we can resume our tasks. Sometimes, if you don't know his points, he will rephrase them and reiterate his aims. Are you ready? Let's do this again. Let's redo our listening. I'm grateful for my boss because he is a person who knows how to reflect on his leadership and revisit staff's opinions. Besides, he always recaps the key points after meetings and relays the update to us immediately. For example, he guides us to redo the tasks and reimburses our expenses efficiently so we can resume our tasks. Sometimes if we don't know his points, he will rephrase them and reiterate his aims. Okay, so if you still cannot capture what I'm saying, you can repeat our listening. See you next time!